Hey guys, this is Chris again, coming at you with another review. Today's review, as you see, is the Halios. This is the Seaforth. My buddy Sam was kind enough to lend this in to me. He's the same buddy that lent in the Steinhardt, and he lent in the Oris and the Baby Patty Turtle. If you guys hear some knocking going around in the background, I apologize. My neighbor is doing some housework, working on the roof over there, so that's what that noise is. If you hear that, apologize. But onto the watch. I'm gonna do a special unboxing after this also, after I review this watch, the surprise Seiko. But this watch is a killer watch. I was really surprised whenever I got it in from I may end up looking for one of these. This, as I mentioned, is the first generation, and it comes with the Miyota, I believe it's a 9015 or 9018, I believe, movement in it. That's about the only thing I would change on this watch, which, as I was speaking with Sam, he's told me that the new generations have the ETA 2824, and for the price, that's a lot of watch. I mean, this watch wears like it's barely on the wrist. It's so light. Bezel play is smooth like butter. I was really surprised by this watch when I got it in. This one has that sunburst blue kind of dial. That dial just kind of pops out at you. The indices are really clean indices going around the dial here. You see the double indices there, and you got Halios, Seaforth. This, of course, is a no date. As you know, I like no date divers. Like I said, this is honestly, this is almost the perfect watch for me, especially for the price. I believe when they come out, they usually sell out quick, and I regretted not getting in on the last one. I may get in on another one. I hear they're coming out with 2 other ones. And no, I'm not affiliated with Halios. I just think it's a great watch. Like I said, my buddy let this in, and I was really surprised by it. But again, like I said, this is a killer piece. I mean, they come in limited numbers and they sell out quick, and I can see why. This brand has almost like a cult-like following. He's based out of Vancouver, Canada. As you can see, pretty thin case there. You see on the case back, nothing too fancy on the case back there. But like I said, this thing wears, it's got 20mm lugs, so fit a lot of dados. This thing wears so great. Like I said, it wears like it's not even on the wrist. Speaking of wrist, the wrist shot, I got my Citizen Nighthawk. I just got that in. $200, not bad on Amazon. Can't complain for that price. Look for a review of that guy comes soon. But again, on the Halios, like I said, I can't get over how great of a piece this is. When I was talking with my buddy, he mentioned, like I said, that the second piece, that was the only thing I would have nitpicked on this, was the Miyota movement. But now that I found out that they had the, at that price, now that I found out that they had the ETA 2824 movement, like I said, I'm probably going to try to find one myself. You see, it's got the sealed crown here at the 3 o'clock. Screw down crown. But like I said, it's a 40mm watch, 20mm, as you know, that's perfect size for me. And it wears a little bit smaller than the Hamilton even. I think it's because the Hamilton has no bezel, so it kind of wears a little bit bigger. Like I said, it's got those kind of beveled edges almost on the bezel. Like I said, I just can't say enough about this watch. I love it, especially for around the grand. I think in some cases, some of these go up to $1,500. I've seen some of the newer versions have like a pastel blue, like a powder blue almost. They have an orange, close to like a Doxa kind of orange or a Seiko orange, Monster orange. They have a yellow one, which the yellow one looks really cool. Kind of polarizing. It's one of those you either like or you don't. And I believe they still have this and a sunburst gray. And I believe they have, don't quote me, but I believe they have a white one also. Like I said, I believe they're coming out with a field watch next, 38mm field watch, so that'd be a perfect size. Like I said, I just can't get over this. This is a killer piece. I'm definitely going to be adding one of these to the collection. But this has been the review of the Halios Seaforth. Look for another video on this. I got another idea coming up on a video with this one. On to the unboxing. This is kind of an impulse buy. As you can see from the packaging, DHL. I got this from the gentleman. Got my new Spyderco knife. Clemson won the national championship, I figured I'd Get the orange one I've been looking at. Unwrap this. They wrap it pretty good. Take this off the camera here and get this. Sorry guys. Comes with a nice little strap here. Little NATO. Pretty cool. As you know, I bought from Nomon. I believe it's pronounced Nomon a couple times before, and I definitely recommend them. This come in from Singapore in like 2 or 3 days, which is crazy. I don't know if you can see on the side there. I'll give you a hint of what I got. The SBDC 055. Pretty substantial box here for Seiko. One of the better Seiko boxes I've seen. As you know, I've had plenty of Seikos. Now this is my first time seeing it. I literally just got this. I just signed for it right before the review. Take this off. A little loose there. And wow. That dowel is just killer. That black fading into blue. As you see, I got the SBDC, the 055, the Patty. I ordered the black strap on accident. They're gonna send me a blue one, so that's pretty cool. First impressions are, this is really killer. You guys are seeing this first time with me also. Alright guys, this has been Chris with a Halios Seaforth unboxing, or Halios Seaforth review, excuse me, and my Seiko unboxing. Little slip there. And my Seiko unboxing. Let me know what you guys think down there. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Alright, peace.